Mathaine ma kiroko kiaro-ini kia ndege kia Jomo Kenyatta murutwo murore kwirwo gukorwo na murimu wa coronavirus kuma Guangzhou bururi-ini wa China ni kinyirie guku bururi-ini akihuthira ndege ya KQ886 uria urerikana ni wa ukuru wa gatagati ka miaka 20 nginyagia 30 na kuri mathaine ma 3:30 niguo ministry ya ugima wa mwiri muguthukirie thibitari-ini wa Kenyatta niguo makorwo magitabania uthuthuria kuri aigitwo rumu ya keheri-ini thibitari-ini no ya Kenyatta. Thirikari ni yugite twita bururi ni twihariirie kurua na murimu uyu wa coronavirus makiuga gwikinyaniria muthenya wa rucio maumirira ma uthuthuria rotabanirio kuri murutwo uyu ni magakorwo matirihitwo makiuria ria mauma ndege-ini no ya KQ886 makorwo magikinya thibitari-ini tiganite makorwo magithurimwo.
By close of business, we will have ruled out either positive or negative of this particular case. But important to note is that we are doing the investigation is being undertaken both in country, but also we've called for additional support through the WHO by our colleagues in WHO based in South Africa.
The other passengers who are in the same flight with this individual suspected case isolated in KNH is that through our contacts in Kenya Airways, we are able to receive the passenger manifest of the entire list of travelers who are in the same flight, and we have already sent an alert through KQ to these individuals such that in case they exhibit any of the symptoms, then we can be able to reach them and also advise them to be able to present themselves to the nearest health facility in case they exhibit any of the symptoms that have been addressed by Madam Waziri.
Akenya ni moretio kuigiririka utheru-ini wao kuri irio ikinyanire ikiro undu umwe na gwithema andu marahaya muno kana mundu uri na thina wa kuhihia.
We wish to advise members of the public as follows. 1, the need to maintain basic hand and respiratory hygiene. 2, safe food practices need to be observed across the country. 3, avoid close contact with people suffering from acute respiratory infections.
Maya mokete oriri aruti wira ndemu-ini ya Karimeno maraikara na hahu makiuga ati ni marekwira raia atatu kuma bururi-ini wa China na aria mekinyirie ndemu-ini no muthenya wa Kiumia mari na dariri cia murimu wa coronavirus. Riboti iria teaneirio ni thirikari makiuga atatu acio matire na virus icio. Dariri cia murimu uyu wa coronavirus ni gukorora, guita kimira, kuigua ruo mumero-ini, kurio ni mutwe na urugari mukiru mwiri-ini. Kuria dariri ta ici no cikare thiku 14 murimu uyu ungigatuthuka. Andu makiria ma 100 kuma bururi-ini wa China ni moragitwo ni murimu uyu. Kuria andu angi makiria ma 4,500 mari na coronavirus na hari namba iyo 85 ni ya Kenya. Girifotera Kameme TV, retora kwa ni Wajiro wa Foro.